Hi guys, today we're going to try to improvise with the blues scale. We did this a little bit in class before spring break and we're going to try and get back to it today. The great thing about improvising is you make it up as you go along, you play whatever you want, but I'm going to give you some guidelines today to make it sound better. So what we have on the screen is the B-flat blues scale. The top one is for flute, oboe, and bells. Bells, this will be starting at your high B-flat. You're welcome to start on your low B-flat if you want and use the same notes. This one would be for trumpet, clarinet, and tenor sax. And down below we have alto and bari sax. Now we also have low brass instruments. Those are going to be on a separate video. So what I'm going to do for you first is play the blues scale so you can hear what it sounds like. I've got a xylophone here. That's the whole blues scale. You can tell I've highlighted some notes yellow. Those are going to be the notes that are the foolproof notes, the easiest way to improvise. Starting with note 1, skipping to the 3rd note, and then the 5th note for all 3 of these instruments. Don't be confused by this natural sign. That just means play regular old G, G natural. Same here, D natural saxes. So if you'll always start on the first note and end on the first note, you'll have a lot of success if you do it that way. We're going to trade 12 bars at a time, 12 measures at a time. So I'll play 12, you play 12. I'll play 12, you play 12. And we'll do it for the whole recording. I might switch instruments. I've got a clarinet over here, got a trumpet, flute, percussion. So I'll skip around a little bit, and who knows, you can't make any mistakes when you're improvising. If you don't like what it sounds like, just change the note. So I'm going to go ahead and start the recording. And then I'll play the first 12 and then you're in. I'm going to start on flute.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
A 2, and now your turn, go. Nine, 10, 11, 12. Now it's my turn. Your turn. 2, 3, 4, that was pretty fun. You're welcome to go back and do this all over again. If you'd like a recording where I'm not playing on it and you want to play it all by yourself, let me know and I can send that to you. That was fun. Great job today.